So this is the new villa. Hey, and the kit drops, bro. Oh, it's been a long day. I earned it. We got a little helper here coming out, bringing in our delivery for the new room. Little TV. Come on, man. What are you struggling for? Yeah?
Shall I do like India?
Hey, and the kit drops, bro. What's happening, people? We're having a lovely Saturday. Today we are having some traditional food. What are you doing there? Got to put the sauce around it as well. So we bought this in the shop, but we've got takeaway, so bear with us while we technical difficulties. Oi, Allah Mubarak. Got some fresh bread, homemade bread. Got some salad. Got some fruits as well. All over, pour it all over, mate. Sprinkle the chips around, and voila, we got some Jaj Muhammad. If you know, you know. What are you thinking, mate? You saying we can finish that? Easy, innit? Right, well, show me the bread. Well, take the first bite. Sit down. Sprinkle some salt all over. You know we gotta put the salt in. Nah, you gotta do it straight from the tagine pot, like a Moroccan. Yeah.
Not going back to London.
You ain't getting that in London. Assalamu alaikum, guys. Hope you're doing very, very well. Hope you had a splendid weekend. Rise and shine Monday morning. We are today going to the notary. I've got a client who is signing a compromise, so he's purchasing an apartment. So we're just gonna go help him out, as he doesn't speak Arabic, and he's also from the UK. So just to kind of ease it for him, as he's never gone through the purchase process in Morocco. So yeah, so we're just gonna go to the notary, get some documents signed. Well, he needs to make some payments to the developer, so we're just gonna guide him through the whole process. That's what you get with us. You get a turnkey solution from start to finish. Everything is handled professionally and safely. That's the most important. Everything is done correctly. So so the guy who's gonna install the glass is coming to the office. He's coming from Casablanca, so I'm gonna go there, meet him, so we can get the correct measurements, make sure there's no mistakes done, because this is like the finishing touches, the icing on the cake. So we should be there, and then afterwards I'm gonna go to Oliver Palm and check up on things there. I'm waiting on some deliveries, so I want to kind of give them the last kick up the backside so they don't take too long and they're not starting to slow down at the end. So today is a busy day, and then we gotta go to the bank. Banks here are horrible, man. That's honestly one thing that I just hate about this country. Customer service is rubbish. All the banks here are rubbish. They don't do their job properly. They're actually frustrating. They're so annoying. But anyways, that's Morocco. So yeah, so I'll keep you guys updated and have a day in the life. Guys, it's been a long day. You know how earlier I started off telling you guys, yeah, I've got a long busy day? I really meant it, you know. I couldn't even record content, that's how busy it was. But anyways, well, I've just had to pick up the keys for the new villa for one of our students. The key lock wasn't working, so I had to break access to it, because that's going to get replaced anyways. It's cheap. I've got the keys now. It's a bit dark. Let's go inside and see what this new acquisition looks like. Allah Mubarak. Yeah. So this is the new villa. We're in a Melkis free. This one is a 4-bedroom luxury villa in a Melkis Golf. Got a nice kitchen area here. Lovely little wooden table. This is the heated pool. This is the cover for it. That's the machine for it. It's a nice outside area. Let's go upstairs. Lovely, nice little spotlights on the stairs. Gives it a nice little effect. Another acquisition for the students. Helped him source and secure this one. And we're gonna obviously help him run it, help him build his team, systems. So this one will be another successful unit, inshallah. This is in like a prestigious complex. The milk is free. This is probably one of the most luxury modern residences you can get in Marrakesh. So this one will do really well. We've got a few other students who've got villas here as well in this complex. You've got a nice bathroom down here as well. If you guys want to take a villa like this, if you guys want to be able to secure one of these kind of villas, how to run it and how to successfully make good rental income from it, book a call-in with one of our team members who will help you through the whole process from A to Z. From identifying how to find deals, how to analyze deals, how to secure them, negotiate on them to make sure you're protected in the contract. Everything you need from company setup, bank account setup, to getting bookings, securing these bookings and actually marketing it as well. We're your guys, Moroccan brothers. We're here to help. We're here to guide you through and hold your hand throughout the process, so you don't have to worry about any little intricate details, worrying about being potentially scammed in Morocco. No, we hold your hand through everything you may need. We've got it covered. But anyways, guys, catch you tomorrow. I'm gonna leave the villa now. Before I leave, I'm gonna make a little list of stuff that I might need correcting, as you can see here. There's some spotlights that are not working, so they need to get replaced. Minor little stuff. There's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spotlights not working. More than actually, 6, 7, 8. Hold on, let me check if there's another switch, maybe. Oh, okay, these ones are working, fine. Maybe these ones work for these ones. Ah, okay, no. You know what? Sorry guys, these are all working. Just there was another switch. Cool. But other than that, seems all good to me. Everything seems perfect and ready to rent out. There's some more garden space there. Perfect. Lovely. Peace. Guys, look at the view, man. See the mountains? It's snowing at the moment. Well, it's ice up there. It's not snowing right now. We did. But it's looking absolutely meaty as usual. And a little kitty. Hello. Guys, you know where we are right now? Literally down the road from Oliver Palms. We're just gonna go after this guy. I can't believe this guy's been getting a trim for an hour. He ain't even got that long hair. Low ROI individual. Just look at the mountains, man.
Man, then we're back in the game. What are you saying? If you don't know, now you know. So he goes for a run in the morning, then finishes it off with.
You know why? Because I earned it.
He didn't earn nothing. Palm with olive. Looks nice though.
We're gonna replace the ropes, the strings, sorry, not ropes. Get them blacked out.
They seem to be doing a refurb as well. Very nice view.
You're gonna laugh at this. The wireless charging. Yeah. The main decoration stuff is finished. It's just cleaning up more.
Yes, so first view at the villa. Never actually been here before. Came during a sandstorm. We've got to know the dean, the agent. Bismillah. First view, first reactions, everything's raw. Let's check it out. Very spacious. Got like a double dining room situation going on. The Moroccan seating, Moroccan sederi. It's very big, spacious, open. Ground floor is pretty much all just the living room, bathroom here. Upstairs. Okay. Ooh, very nice. What do you think? Spacious?
Very. Full on this floor.
Huge. Definitely needs some, nothing crazy, just some decorations. This is going to be a problem, I can tell already. White.
The white?
Yeah, we need some burst of color. Something like this painting, but I like this one. Very nice. I'll probably put the seating outside though. And then finally, yeah, pretty much similar layout for all of them. Open closet, ensuite, very spacious rooms. Gonna have some decorations, a bit of color as well. Stuff like this is cool, but I like these spotlights here at the top of the bed. Maybe like a painting like this as well. You're allowed to go down, yeah? Yo, Sprowski. Extra raw. You know what? I'd keep this dining table here, and then if they want it together, I'll just move it up. This bedroom.
This would be nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing. I'll just start renting the table. There's nothing
So
I need.
this is the fountain. Upstairs rooms are all good.
All the bed sheets changed now.
Yeah, white.
Get some TV stands.
Need a little survey here. What's the diagnosis, doc?
There's a leak from here before. This water comes through here.
Make sure the stuff is checked before you sign. Always. Because you never know. Owner might just say, not my problem. Yeah, we're gonna have to do something about this SpongeBob bed.
The thing is, yeah, it looks like a bathroom.
I know, we're definitely gonna have to cover this
Now it's a pencil.
with foam pads or curtains or something. But the question is what to do with it,
I think
because
cinema room is not
cinema is too small for a cinema room. I'm thinking an arcade or gaming or something. Can't do a bedroom, no windows in here. Gonna have to put our heads to get one. We'll come back next time. We'll let you know what we decided on. This I'll probably put a cover on it, so change the colour of the sofas. It's a very cost-effective way to change the colour of a sofa. Cheap. You can get them from like AliExpress, Temu. They're like velvet covers. You just slap them on top of the sofa. You know what? We could do could do a curtain here, like across here, and just have this whole sort of downstairs as the cinema. Move the TV into one of the rooms. and then probably change it to a projector or something like that. Us, curtain, home cinema. Put the TV in a room and have a projector here, and then put sofas.
Not sure about that one.
No.
Because people might want to just watch normal TV. I don't know.
Yeah, and you can watch normal TV on a projector. Netflix, slap it on. What are you giving it? Thumbs up?
Yeah, 100%.
We're not gonna say the price yet. Give guesses and let them know. Alright guys, so today's video I'm gonna hand you the camera over.
Hey, look at him. Where you going? Where you walking? You ain't got nowhere to go. Yeah, go take a walk. Go take a walk. Look at you. Doesn't know where he's going, just wandering. Yeah, keep wandering. Oh, where you going? See guys, don't let him stunt. Don't ever let him stunt, he's a capper.